girl. Okay, what else do you want to do? You want to do okay? We'll flip it the other way. Hold on. Flip it that way because it's the... Ooh, good girl. You want to do another candy cane? Well, that one we've got to wait for. We'll do that one the next one. You want to do another Christmas tree? Okay, put it down and put that edge down right there. That edge goes down on the dough. This way. Hold on. Watch your fingers. Okay, now push. Good girl.
I was trying to think there were more candles.
Christmas tree.
I'll look for 'em later.
With a fingerprint in it.
Yeah, well. Star. Oh, part of a star.
Oh.
Hey guys. Yankee. Yankee, leave it alone.
Look at that. Okay. Candy cane, let's do, maybe